Good medical morning. Last week, Adam and I created a video about one of Instagram's most popular medical technicians, Mrs. Angemi. Her work in the morgue is controversial, yet informative. This week, we're going to cover a bizarre murder mystery straight out of the LA coroner's office. Let's take a quick look at this video. It was created by an aspiring director and professional wrestler named David the Demon DeFalco, and it starred Michael A. Cormier, forensic technician. It was a DVD extra in the 2005 film titled Chaos. The video was fairly popular on the recesses of YouTube and on bizarre medical sites. Adam stumbled on it years ago while looking for medical case studies for the page. The video is strange for sure. The director walks around the mortuary, hyping his own work, while the technician discusses Los Angeles' most disturbing crimes with little or no emotion. 5 years after the video was released, Michael Cormier drove himself to Kaiser Permanente Hospital complaining of heart and stomach pain and diarrhea. The doctors suspected a heart issue or an ulcer and recommended he follow up with his regular physician. 2 days later, Cormier asked his wife to call 911. An ambulance took him to Providence St. Joseph Medical Center in Burbank, where he died several hours later from massive organ failure. The hospital received an anonymous call stating that he had been poisoned. In the early stages of the investigation into Cormier's death, the police wouldn't rule out an accident, suicide, or something more nefarious, and the coroner deferred the cause of death pending further toxicology results. Online conspiracy theorists went wild. One linked it to a similar death of a right-wing blogger who claimed to have damaging video footage on President Obama. The story made national news. Another theory links the death to drug dealers. Michael had strong feelings about speed and ice. He said the most brutal crimes he had seen as a forensic technician were a result of its users.
Every time we'd get a case that was unusually brutal, I would check the toxicology and find out that the drug methamphetamine was involved. There is a world out there, another dimension if you want to call it, of demonic beings who need access, who want access to this realm. And one of the primary ways we're seeing it happen is through the drug methamphetamine.
He was on a personal mission to expose its true effects. A screen test found a significant amount of arsenic in Cormier's system. Although it could have been accidental, it appears that somebody wanted Cormier dead. Unfortunately, no arrests have ever been made in the case. It remains one of YouTube's biggest unsolved mysteries. Please go ahead and leave your comments below. Would you like us to post more unsolved mysteries like this? Please subscribe and click the notification bell for updates. Also, here's a word from our sponsor, Rest More. It helps me sleep, and it'll help you too. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Rest More.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, getting up refreshed and feeling great every day.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better. I highly recommend it.
Taken every night, Rest More can help you get deeper, more restful sleep, and for a limited time, you can now order a year's supply at a deep discount. Get 360 days worth of Rest More for only $250. That's almost $200 less than the retail price. Act now. This offer is available while supplies last. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the products, same thing, it just puts them to sleep.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.